The generative AI landscape is really fairly complicated already. I think a lot of people are looking at what is out there and trying to figure out how does it really fit into their business? What value does it bring? Currently, with what's available, one of the quick hits is using AI as a workforce accelerator. One of the ways you can do this is using something called retrieval augmented generation. You'll frequently see this also called RAG. And the idea behind this is you take some of your business data, pull it in from whatever source it's in, into a format that you can use to essentially prompt an AI or a large language model on the back end to provide that business context to your employees to use as an accelerator to find information, gain insights. And we're seeing that this is the faster, easier way to get started with generative AI without all the capital that it takes to train a large language model. And these are available from companies like AWS, has Bedrock available as a platform with multiple models that you can leverage to really utilize this to empower the business, speed up your workforce.